On Friday, I just got funded for 200k with another prop firm. This time it's LucidFlex. Currently, I have 400k in funding, one with LucidFlex now, and one with funding pips. And now I'll be documenting every single trade that I take with LucidFlex until I get a payout. So you guys are gonna come through step by step with me. You're gonna see every trade that I do until I get my first payout with LucidFlex. Literally on my latest video that I just uploaded, literally only needed about 2% left. And NFP was on Friday. I literally traded an hour after NFP, New York Stock Exchange open. And then I was risking about $400 and I made the $1,000. So I'm officially funded now, LucidFlex. I'll put a screenshot above just so you guys can see that this is real. Just because I don't know how the account numbers work with LucidFlex. This is my first time with them, so I don't know what happens if I show you guys the account, my numbers, etc. So currently, this is a little update now. For the past 6 weeks or 7 weeks now, almost 2 months, I'm pretty sure it's been 2 months, I have not had a losing week. So in the last 2 months, I've literally had every single week has been green. I can show you guys on one of my funded accounts now. On my funded pips, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys literally right now. This account, and I get paid on June the 9th. My reward cycle is weekly because it's a 2-step pro account. And if we scroll down here, right, and we go on to since April, so week 4, in April, I made 2.2. Week 5, I made 1K. Then if we go here, week 1 of the 1st of May, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 7, 8 weeks. So yeah, I mean, guys, I haven't had a negative week in the past 8 weeks. I am on a fucking great run right now, and I'm just gonna continue getting it. Literally, it took me 3 trades and I passed the LucidFlex account. I literally bought it on Wednesday because I already had profit on my other funding pips account. So currently I have 2 100Ks with funding pips, and now I have 4 50Ks with LucidFlex. So the goal is to just trade it normal, risk about $300 a trade, and basically try to get to around $3,000 in profit. So once I get to about $3,000 in profit, my goal, I intend to take out half, so $1,500, times it by 4, that's 6K minus their 10% fee, $5,400. So that's the goal. I'm literally going to take you guys through it step by step. So this is going to be a crazy month for me. I'm just going to continue trading my funding pips accounts as usual. And now I've got an extra account to continue trading with, which I'll probably be a little bit more reserved, but taking A+ setups, risking $300-400 a setup. Basically, I'm here to take over and actually document everything daily, weekly, going to log every single trade on my YouTube channel. That's the goal right now. I'm going to show all my profits and my losses for the week, for the day. I'm going to go through it on a daily basis now. And yeah, so join my Discord. I'll be giving updates on my Discord as well. I want to be going live on my Discord Sunday to Monday. Like Sunday and Monday, I want to be going live. I want to give you guys weekly analysis every week. Just I don't have a community yet. So get me a community, and literally you guys will be making profits with me every week for free. But anyways, I will be trading Tuesday, which means that you guys will get a video on Wednesday because I'm in Asia. I trade at 9:30 p.m. in Asia. So I will be uploading a video probably the morning after when I wake up, when you guys are asleep, so you guys can be ready to watch the video. I'm blagging on now. Cool. All right. So yeah, man.